So over here you can see that I have a blank project, and let's see how we can work around with layer arrangements over here. So now I am grabbing this brush tool over here, the paintbrush tool, and the color that I selected here is white. So let me just go around and select a bit of white color just like this. Once I do that, I'm going to go around onto the layer section right here. And if you don't see the layer section over here, you need to go around onto Windows, onto dockable dialogues, and then click on layer, and then you get the layer option over here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and create a new layer over here. So it says create a new layer to add it to an image. So let me just go around and click, and you can see layer option. You can go around and rename this. So I'm just going to go around and say first layer right here, just like this. I'm not going to worry about any other settings, and press OK right here, and there you go, there's the first layer. So now I can go around, and here you can see that I have a layer. I'm simply going to go around and brush around on this first layer. So all of the content that I brush around or create while selecting the first layer stays on the first layer. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to create another layer right here, and I'm just going to go around and say second layer right here, just like this. Let me just go around and delete it, and I'm going to press OK. So once I do that, here's the second layer, and I'm going to go around and choose another color over here, just like this, and I got another color of the layer just like this. And now what I'm going to do is select the second layer and start brushing out. So now this is in the second layer. I'm going to go around and click on the third layer over here, just like this, and then I'm going to choose, let's say for example, red color over here. So once I do that, I'm going to go around over here, and there you go, there's the third layer, as you can see, just like this. So this is what you have. This is layer 1, 2 and 3, as you can see. And now I can go around and then utilize the let's say for example layer right here to move this out. So you can see that this is what you have. So I got the move, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to choose move layer. So I'm going to go to move tool and choose layer right here. And now I can see that if I were to go around and click, I can move this layer right here. I can go around to second layer and then move this out. So I can go around and click on first layer and move this out. You can see that the second layer says number 1. That is because I forgot to rename it. But you can see that I can select out layers and move these individual parts as I like. But if I were to go around over here, you can see that the red part actually goes around and covers out both of the part. That means the red part is at the top, and then you got the green part right on the center, and then you got the first part at the bottom. But if you want to go around and change around the layer arrangement, then you can simply go around and click and drag this out. So you can see that this is what you have. So this is the layer that you have right here. If I were to click on this, then now this this button right here, then the layer moves up. Now you can see that the first layer is at the center. Then you click on this again, and the layer moves on the top, as you can see. So similarly, you can go around over here and then bring the layer down as well, and that is how you can change the position of the layers as well. And that is how you can work around with layer arrangements inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.